Solve this. Given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. Here, what are given? Read first. D is given. It is 5 and S9 also given. Is equal to 75. So, calculate the value of A and value of A9. Since Sn is given, S9 is given, use Sn formula. Sum of nth term of an APSN is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of Sn. It is S9. So value of n is 9 divided by 2 into 2a into value of n is 9 minus 1 into d value is 5. It is given. So 75, Sn value is 75. Substitute here. 9 divided by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5 is 40. Now 75 is equal to 9 divided by 2 into, on taking common factor outside, 2 is common, take outside, a plus 20 are remaining inside the bracket. Now 2 ones are gets cancelled. So 75 carry into 9 to other side, it becomes divided by 9. It is equal to a plus 20. Therefore, what is the value of a is equal to carry plus 20 to that side, it becomes minus 20. Now you can simplify here. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Therefore, a is equal to 25 divided by 3 minus 20. Take LCM here. 3 here, 20 divided by 1 is here, so cross multiply. 25 ones are 25 minus 3 2s are 6, 0 means 60. Therefore a value is equal to minus 35. 25 minus 60 is equal to minus 35 divided by 3. Therefore value of a is minus 35 divided by 3. Now we have to find out the value of A9. A is minus 35 divided by 3. Therefore calculate A9. How can we calculate? Using nth term of an AP formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now A9 is equal to, a value is minus 35 divided by 3 plus n means here n is equal to what? N is equal to 9 minus 1 into value of d, it is given 5. So A9 is equal to minus 35 divided by 3 plus 8 5 are 40. So minus 35 divided by 3 plus 40 is equal to, simplify, take LCM here. 40 divided by 1 here. So take LCM 3, cross multiply. Minus 35 ones are minus 35 plus 3 into 40 is equal to 120. Therefore A9 is equal to 120 minus 35 is equal to 85 divided by 3. Therefore return again, a is equal to minus 35 divided by 3. And what is the value of A9? It is equal to 85 divided by 3. Right? Shall we move further? Yes. Given a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find the value of n and an. How can we find out the value of n and an here? First, write down the value of A. Is equal to 2. A value is 2. And what is the value of D? It is also given. We will write one by one. A is 2. D is equal to 8. Sn is equal to 90. So, what we have to do? Calculate the value of how many terms are there. N is equal to what? And An is equal to what? So, which formula will help us to solve this problem? Since Sn is given, we can apply this formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, Sn, what is the value of Sn? It is 90. So, do you know value of n? It is unknown. We have to calculate it. Now, 2 into what is the value of A? It is also 2 plus n is unknown minus 1 into value of D is 8. So, it is equal to 90. Now, further on simplification, we will get 2 2s are 4 plus simplify 8 into n is equal to 8n minus 1 8s are 8. Now, 90 is equal to n divided by 2 into 8n minus 4. Here we will have common term to 8n and 4. Common term is factor is 4. Take outside. So 2n minus 1 are remaining inside the bracket. Now simplify this. 2 1s are 2. 2s are 4. So 90 is equal to, therefore 90 is equal to 2 into n is equal to what? 2n into inside the bracket 2n minus 1 are remaining. So 90 is equal to 2 2s are simplify n 4n square minus 2n. Take 90 to other side, it becomes 4n square. You will get a quadratic equation here. Minus 90 is equal to 0. Now divide the whole equation by 2. Divide it by 2. Then divide it by 2. We will get 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. We know how to factorize a trinomial 2n square minus n minus 45. Now factorize 2n square minus n minus 45. What do you get? Simplify. I will write again 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Product of first and last term is equal to minus 90n square. On multiplication of which two numbers will you get product as minus 90 and sum as the middle term, difference as minus 1? Which are the two numbers? 10 9s are 90. Look at here. 10 9s are 90 and difference of 10 and 9 is 1. Since the middle term has a negative sign, so put negative sign to bigger number. So this is minus 10n and this is plus 9n. So 2n square minus n split up into 2. It is minus 10n plus 9n keep the last term constant as it is, minus 45 as it is. Did you get here? The middle term minus n is split into 2, minus 10n and plus 9n. Right? We wrote here. Now take common term to these two terms. On taking common term outside, 2 is common, n also common. What is remaining here? N minus 2 5s. So keep the same bracket here. N minus 5 is equal to 0. So what can I keep here outside the bracket? We have to write plus 9. Okay. Now once again n minus 5 is common. Take outside. What are remaining? 2n plus 9 are remaining. That is equal to, sorry, it is not equal, equating this equation. So it is equal to 0. Now this implies what? Either first bracket n minus 5 is equal to 0 or second bracket 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So what is the value of n? N is equal to, carry minus 5 to that side, it becomes plus 5. Here 2n is equal to minus 9, and what is the value of n? Minus 9 divided by 2. So which value holds good here? Value of n should be always a natural number, because the number of terms are always a natural number. Therefore n is equal to 5 is the right answer. N is equal to 5 is the answer. And since n is equal to minus 9 divided by 2 is a negative sign, having negative sign, and also it is a fraction. Therefore n cannot take these values, right? So value of n is known. N is equal to what? 5. So then we calculate what is the value of an? An is equal to what? Since we know, we found n value as 5. So what is A5? A5 is what? Using an formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We can directly find out a5 is equal to a plus n minus 1, means a5 is equal to a plus 4d. Therefore a, we know the value of a, it is given, a is equal to 2, plus the value of d is equal to, it is also given, it is equal to 8. Therefore 2 plus 4 8s are 32. Therefore on adding you will get what? 34. Therefore finally write the answers. N is equal to 5 and a5 is equal to 34. Did you get this? Okay, let us move to next problem. A is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. Find the value of n and d. How can we calculate? Find the value of n and d. Now A, write down, A is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn also given, it is equal to 210. Find the value of n and also value of d. D is what? Common difference. N is what? Number of terms. We have to calculate these two. So how can we calculate? Since Sn and an are given, first apply or use the formula Sn here. Sn is equal to, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into, since an is given, we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. You need not write the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is not necessary. Since an is given, we can apply this simple formula, right? So Sn apply. Substitute now. Sn is equal to 210. N value, do you know? No, it is unknown. So a value, substitute here. A is 8 plus what is the value of an? It is 62. Therefore 210 is equal to n divided by 2 into sum of 62 plus 8 is equal to 70. 2 ones are 2, 35 are. So n value is equal to 35. I will write like this. 35n is equal to 210. Therefore n is equal to what? Take into 35 to that side. It becomes divided by 35. 210 divided by 35. So 35 ones are 35 6 are 210. Therefore value of n, we found the value of n, it is equal to 6. N value is 6. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate what is the value of d. I will write here. So therefore what is the value of d now? Since an is known, an is equal to 62, I will write n value is 6. So a6, it is equal to a plus, shall I write a plus 5d? Yes, a plus 5d is equal to a6 and it is 62. So now a value, substitute here. A is 8 plus 5d is equal to 62. Therefore 5d is equal to plus 8 becomes what? Minus 8. Now 5d is equal to 62 minus 8. What is the value of 62 minus 8? It is 54. Therefore d is equal to 54 divided by 5. You can't simplify further. So value of d is equal to 54 divided by 5. Now did you get this? Okay, then move to one more problem. If a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to 192, find the value of d. How can you find the value of d? Very simple. Here also, since Sn is given, S means it is Sn. It is given starting from Sn formula. We can find out the value of d. What are given? A is given. A is equal to 3. N is equal to 8. It is given. Sn, S means Sn is equal to 192. Therefore, what is the value of d? Now, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the value of Sn. It is equal to 192. N value is 8 divided by 2 into value of a is 3 plus n value is unknown. Do you know the value of n? Yes, we know. 8 minus 1 into value of d is unknown. Keep as it is. Now 192 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to what? 4. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 2 3s are 6 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into d. Now carry into 4 to this side. It becomes what? 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 70. Now 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16, 3 is remaining, 4 8s are 32. So 7d, therefore 7d plus 6 is equal to 48. Value of 70 is what? 48 minus 6. Therefore 70 is equal to 48 minus 6 is equal to 42. value of D, you can find out what it is. 42 divided by 7, it is equal to 6. Therefore, value of D is equal to 6 in this problem. Right? Now let us move to one more problem. Here L is given. L means what? Last term. L is equal to 28. Sn or S is equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms, means N is equal to 9. So what is the value of A? Find the value of A. How can you calculate? L is equal to, what are the given terms? L is equal to 28, Sn or S is equal to 144, N is what? N is equal to 9. Therefore, what is the value of A? A means first term of the AP. Now, S9 is given. S9, N is equal to 9. Therefore, what is S9? It is given. Therefore, S9 is 144. Calculate the value of A. So, since Sn is given, S9 is given, use the formula Sn. And last term also known. Therefore, apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. L and An are same, both are same. Now substitute the value of S9. Sn is S9. So n value is 9 divided by 2. What is the value of A? Do you know? No. A, keep as it is, A plus what is the last term? It is 28. Now substitute the value of S9. It is 144 is equal to 9 divided by 2 into A plus 28. Now carry 9 divided by 2 into this side. It becomes what? 144 into reciprocal of 9 by 2 is equal to, it becomes 2 divided by 9 is equal to A plus 28. Now 144 divided by 9 is equal to 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So 16 twos are is equal to 32. Carry plus 2, 28 to this side, it becomes minus 28 is equal to A. Therefore, subtract 32 minus 28 is equal to 4. What is the value of A here? Therefore, A is equal to 4. Right?